Welcome to Guitar Power Up. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play The Only Thing They Fear Is You from Doom Eternal. So as always, if this video helps you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. And subscribe for more lessons from this video. And if you're looking for tabs, you can find them at guitarpowerup.com. There's a link in the description below. Enjoy! So for this song, we're going to tune down a half step, and we're also going to be in drop D. And then for the intro, we're going to break it down into two parts. For the first part, we're going to place a capo on the 2nd fret, and it starts on the 10th fret of the low E string, then 12th fret, low E string, then open E string, then 8th fret, low E string, 10th fret, low E string, then open E string, then 7th fret, low E string, then open E string, then 3rd fret, low E string, 5th fret, low E string, open E string, 7th fret, low E string, 8th fret, low E string, open E string, 7th fret, low E string, open, low E string, then 10th fret, low E string, 12th fret, low E string, open, low E string, 8th fret, low E string, 10th fret, low E string, open, low E string, 7th fret, low E string, then 13th fret, low E string, 12th fret, low E string, open, low E string, 10th fret, low E string, 12th fret, low E string, open, low E string, 11th fret, low E string, open, low E string. Then we're going to do that whole first part again. Except until we get to this point, we're going to go to the 11th fret of the low E string, 13th fret, low E string, open, low E string, 12th fret, low E string, 14th fret, low E string, open, low E string, 10th fret, low E string, open, low E string. And I play it for you one more time, all put together. It sounds like this. So for the second part of the intro, we're going to take off the capo, and it starts on the 7th fret of the high E string, then 8th fret high E string, open high E string, then 7th fret high E string, and you're going to hammer on to the 8th fret of the high E string, then open high E string, 5th fret high E string, and you're going to hammer onto the 7th fret of the high E string, open high E string, then 3rd fret high E string, you're going to pull off to the 2nd fret of the high E string, then you're going to pull off to the open high E string, then 3rd fret high E string, you're going to pull off to the open high E string, and it repeats, and I'll play it for you again. It sounds like this. Now the main riff. So for this, you're going to start by barring the low E, A, and D string on the 2nd fret with your pointer finger, and you're going to pick the D string, then the low E string 4 times, then you're going to place your pointer finger on the 1st fret of the D string, and you're going to pick the D string and hammer onto the 3rd fret of the D string with your ring finger, then 2nd fret D string, then you're going to bar the low E, A, and D string again, and you're going to pick the low E string twice, then you're going to place your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string and your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the D string, and you're going to pick the low E string, D string, low E string, and then you're gonna slide up on the low E string. Then you're gonna bar the low E, A, and D string again, and you're gonna pick the D string, low E string 4 times, then 1st fret D string, hammer onto the 3rd fret of the D string, 2nd fret D string, bar the low E, A, and D string again, and pick the low E string once. Then you're gonna pick the open D string and hammer on to the 2nd fret of the D string. Then 1st fret D string, 1st fret low E string, and it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now the bridge, I'm going to break the bridge up into 2 parts. The first part starts on the 5th fret of the low E string, and you're going to pluck that once. Then 4th fret low E string, pick it twice. Then 3rd fret low E string, pick it once. Then we're going to do that whole thing again, except move down 1 fret. Again, move down 1 fret. Again, move down 1 fret. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. Now the second part of the bridge. So for this, you're going to bar the low E, A, and D string on the 5th fret. Then you're going to slide it down and strum it twice. Then slide it down one more time. And slide it down again. Then you're going to pick the just the D string. Then just the low E string. Then you're going to slide back up to the 5th fret. Then 4th fret. 3rd fret to 2nd fret. Then 1st fret to open. And it repeats, and all put together, it sounds like this. And that's it for The Only Thing They Fear Is You. Like I mentioned, if this video helped you, please hit the like button. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Subscribe for more lessons from Doom Eternal. And if you're looking for tabs, you can find them at guitarpowerout.com. There's a link in the description below. Thanks.